Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Today, as you can probably tell by the title, we're doing something a little bit ricey, a little bit crazy. We're installing Underglow on the S5, and I have my friend Ty here to help me.
Hello.
It's gonna be very helpful. Already has been because we have, let's go wide angle, the vinyls for the RK Rally installed. I actually do like the silver quite a lot more than the black just because it pops out way better. Show up way better in pictures. Get a little more Instagram clout, you know. Who's taking pictures on the rally? Reed, Alan, Matt. Ooh, with the new lens. That'll be sweet. Ty's helping me because I don't know anything about wiring, and we're gonna hardwire this to the vehicle.
It's two wires that connect to the battery. I don't know, it's not that hard.
And I still don't know anything about it. It appears that I'm gonna have to back this up onto the blocks. So that's gonna be step one.
Yeah, I'll just tell you when to stop. Keep coming. Yep, keep coming. Keep coming. Keep coming. Keep coming. A little bit more. You'll feel it. Keep coming. And a little bit more. Stop. You're good there. Isn't that sketchy?
Dude, yeah.
I did that with the M6 when I did my exhaust. And I found a grommet in here where we can literally pipe that little wire thing through.
I couldn't tell you what a grommet is, but it sounds like it's gonna make it easier.
It's a rubber little boot thing with a hole in it.
Sweet. You didn't say anything about my custom painted wheels.
Sick custom painted wheel.
Dude, thanks.
Right here you got this little grommet guy.
That's what we were talking about earlier.
Yeah. Run it up around your subframe so you're away from your exhaust.
Yeah, that would probably melt.
Yeah, we'll try to route it away from your exhaust as much as possible.
Okay.
A nice little crosshair in this place. It's okay, you just push it in there enough, it'll go, right?
Yeah. No way, you can still see my stickers after I polished it. And you can see all the scratches from me trying to get it out. I gotta find an angle where you can see it. You can see the DRI. Jeez Louise. That took me so long. Also, this looks cool. We got the hood popped because we're big car guys and we work on our own cars, even though we're messing around in the trunk right now.
All right, well, these are all your dangly boys for your light up boys. Now we just have to figure out which one goes to which one and where we're gonna route them so that they don't melt.
Starting an electrical fire in my car while I was driving.
You know, it never happened to me, so I have faith it probably maybe won't happen to you.
Sounds confident.
This one's probably this has gotta be your front bumper. These are your sides, the long ones, and then you've got one for back here.
Sweet.
Which can literally be zip tied straight to this diffuser.
Beautiful.
You don't have bolts in yours either. Mine doesn't have bolts.
Really? Is that weird?
I don't know.
I've never got under the backside of my car.
Are you in a car? Sick.
Welcome to Ty's Toy Shop and Underglow install.
The Zip Tie Emporium.
Couple dirt roads. Jeez.
Never seen salt or snow.
Adult driven.
Yes.
Never raced.
Of course not. I think if we tuck these right up behind here, it's probably our best bet.
Inside the heat shield? Oh, I guess
I don't know where else we're gonna put them.
it makes sense.
Because, yeah, that's the only way to go, I would think, right?
You think I could have done this myself?
Yeah.
Be honest.
I don't know.
I don't think I could physically get under the car like this and hardwire it if I didn't have these stands.
Yeah, the ramps definitely help. I mean, I have a jack and jack stands and all that too, but...
I've jacked up my car in the last 2 months, probably 8-9 times.
Seriously?
Yeah.
Well, you had a bunch of wheel problems, didn't you?
Sure did.
Carpet tray under the side skirt, drop it down, sing some holes through it, zip tie your light up, because they're carpet so the adhesive won't stick. So if we can zip tie them, they'll stay, and then we can just run all the wires right through it and it'll be perfect.
Sounds good to me.
Come here, Kev.
Oh my gosh, it is like caked up mud.
Yep.
That is disgusting.
Well, that's what we're drilling into on this side.
Okay.
Gonna put a couple of little holes in there.
You officially done on this side?
It's pretty much on there. I'm just gonna clean up these zip
Yeah,
ties.
after we snip the zips. That looks good. So the left side is completely installed. Now we just have to route the other 3 sides and we'll be in business. Ty's getting something that's gonna work a little better for punching the holes in the carpet because right now we're using that Phillips head screwdriver. That will be the next steps. So update for the people, we've got the 2 sides completed and then no holes are going in the diffuser, but we're just gonna stick the 3M and call it good. So all that's left is the back, the front, and the wiring, and that's it. Trying to avoid electrical fires near my exhaust.
To be fair, the lifespan on Amazon Underglow is about 3 months.
Well, that's all right. Maybe this is a sick kit.
Maybe.
Who knows? It's got the weatherproof like casing on it, so it looks pretty heavy duty, and for like 40 bucks, I don't know. Could be a winner.
It's Underglow, bro. It's gonna be sick. So.
It's gonna be sick anyway. It's gonna be sick. I'm gonna get some sick Instagram posts, shots, and probably call it good. Never use it again.
You have to put it on every time you drive.
It just comes on. We can't figure out how to switch it off.
I hardwired in permanently, so it never shuts off.
Every time my engine turns on, I use the battery. Quick update for the people. We just finished the very last piece of the 4 right on the front here. Had to mount it a little bit in because of the length of the wire. I think we are finished here. Organizing the wires in the trunk a bit, and then it'll be the big reveal time, which we're also desperate to see. But we'll test it again when it's like nighttime, and then it'll really look fast and furious. All right, ladies and gentlemen, everything is finally done. Ty did a phenomenal job on the wiring. Everything is perfect to zip tie spec. So we're gonna do a grand reveal with blue lights. There it is. That looks good. All the way around, no issues. Should be totally fine. It literally it lights up the wheel well. It looks cool under there. We got the Fast and Furious spec now. This thing is.
Yeah, it's a little so there.
It will. Because we were talking about how the shiny surface on the epoxy coated floor kind of shows a reflection there, but when it's on concrete, it'll literally just look like it's floating and glowing. At about 45 horsepower. So obviously with the remote, you can change the colors. We can go green, red, white, and then you get a little party mode. Oh shoot. That's like a single party mode.
Yeah.
Ooh, I like that.
You can change the speed on there too.
Oh yeah. So like fade. Let's do, let's do jump 7. That's the party mode. That's so cool. I hope it's picking up well on camera. Yeah.
Yeah, if you just outside at night, it's it'll be so bright.
Dude, I hope this lasts a while because, we need purple, cyan, I think that's how you pronounce it. Yellow. I should have done yellow vinyl and made it look like a blue angel and then done the yellow underglow. Oh well. I'm so happy with what we did today.
Hey Kev, your ride's officially been pimped.
We did the vinyl, we did the underglow, we did that vinyl. Sponsors, and this thing is kind of cool. Let's hit it with wide angle. We're gonna pull it out and we're gonna actually get more shots when it's completely dark out so we can see the full potential and full execution of the lights. Hey Bentley, this is Bentley. Oh, I do. I gotta trim this right here.
Oh, and we gotta put your trunk back together.
Oh, my trunk is it's disheveled just because my spare is back there. Ladies and gentlemen, though, we're gonna end it there. This was a $40 Amazon kit. If you want this exact one, the link will be in the description. It was about, an hour and a half install time with 1.5 people. Oh boy. Well, budget some time, budget about $40. Jeez, 3 hours? Well, we did do the livery kit. That's very true. Dude, it's just this little
bicycle tire?
I know, right?
What? I've never had it.
It was gross.
Does it go on top of that or?
It goes on top of that, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Hold on.